Hello everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. Today I'm gonna help you fix ChatGPT sign up not working. Let's tap login. A lot of factors might cause your sign up not working. First of all, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connections. Next thing you want to make sure is that ChatGPT server is still working and it's not down. For that, open your search bar and type in status.openai.com. You can see right here if OpenAI has any problem. If this is clear, then that is not the issue. Next thing you want to make sure is your system is working properly. For that, tap on this 3-bar icon, tap settings and clear the cache. Go to privacy, search and services. Scroll below to clear browsing data now. Choose what to clear. Under here, check on cookies and other sites and cached images and files. Tap clear. And if it's still not solving your sign up problem, then try using a different web browser, and this should help. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel for more.